Here we have an Ozark Trail multi-tool. Right on the side, on the end, you have a plastic toothpick. Roll it over. You've got a pen. You can mark or write things. You have a set of tweezers. Up on the top there is a corkscrew, and inside of that is a miniature flathead screwdriver. Behind it there is a nail or a pin with a very sharp tip. Tuck that back in there. Got a nice little ring there on the end. Small flathead or a little pry bar right there. That is a even smaller one and a point to it with a small file on it. This has a lot of spring tension, but this is a hook. This is an awl with a very sharp point and a hole through the side of it so you can thread, twine, or string, sew things. That's a Phillips head screwdriver. You've got a bottle opener, or can opener I should say. There was another one. There's a magnifying glass. That is the long blade knife. This is a short blade knife on that end. This is pliers and crimpers as well. It has a little crimp tool on the back side. That is a saw blade. It's very sharp. This is a fish scaler. It also has measurements, marks on the ends. Lots of tools on this side. And there's a pair of scissors. They're very sharp. It's very handy to have. It's a much more affordable option other than the Swiss Army versions of these. The Ozark Trail.